morning students. Next experiment will be the pipe friction in the given pipe. And here two type of pipe they are given. One is a 2.5 centimeter pipe and one is a 1.5 centimeter diameter pipe. And the same setup will be there. One is the collecting tank and next is the sump tank. So the valve will be fully opened for the given diameter pipe. So the discharge valve can be adjusted so that the manometer reading will be adjusted. So for the first setup of reading, we want to adjust the discharge valve. Here right limb H1 and left limb H2 readings will be taken. At the same time, the collecting tank for every 10 centimeter of the rise, time taken will be noted, and the actual discharge can be calculated using the AH by T, the same formula only. Next, friction losses can be calculated using the Darcy-Weisbach law, that is a 4FLV squared by 2GB. Using this formula, we can calculate the friction for the given pipe.
But in the friction loss is the tabulation part. The major loss is due to the friction only. If we know the observation part, first is the length of the collecting tank, second is the breadth of the collecting tank, and third is the length of the pipe, and fourth is the diameter of the pipe. If we note the tabulation part, but first is the difference in the manometer reading. We want to take the H1 as the left limb reading and H2 as the right limb reading. If you note the difference means that is the difference in the manometer reading. Next part is the frictional head loss. The frictional head loss is calculated using the formula, that is a specific gravity of the mercury by specific gravity of water minus 1 into the difference in the manometer reading. Next part is the time required for the 10 centimeter rise of the water. That is in the collecting tank for the 10 centimeter, what is the time taken, that we want to note it. Next part is the actual discharge. Actual discharge can be calculated using the formula A into H by T. That is A is the area of the collecting tank and H is the 10 centimeter rise and T is the time noted, that is the time taken for the 10 centimeter rise. And next part is the velocity. Velocity can be calculated using the continuity equation, that is Q equal to AV. Using that formula, velocity can be found out. And last part is the friction factor for the pipe can be calculated using the Darcy-Weisbach formula. Darcy-Weisbach formula is equal to 4FLV square by 2GD. By simplifying that formula, for friction factor we will get the 2HF GD by 4LV square. All the reading and given data will helpful for find out the friction factor. So average of the three reading will give the friction factor in the given pipe. Thank you.